Hi, this is May with It's Always May here on the Seattle waterfront. I'm here on the Seattle waterfront with the incredible view of the Elliott Bay right behind me, where there's an array of Pacific Northwest seafood, restaurants, shops, souvenirs, and the Seattle Aquarium. Whatever you choose to do it with the view on the Seattle waterfront. I am on the Great Wheel and the view is spectacular. I can see the gorgeous mountains behind and the ferry as well. The Arkansas Cruises are just to the right of me, and I cannot believe I am up here with me being scared of heights and all. It is truly a gorgeous day. The Seattle Great Wheel opened up on June 29, 2012. So just a couple of years old is all it is. The higher we get, I'm getting a little bit scared, but I'm doing pretty well, I think. I love how looking down below I can see the water and how beautiful it is. It's all glistening. You can see almost the little tiny speckles that are floating around in there. There's the ferry just beyond, and I cannot believe that in a couple weeks I'll be on one of those. It's been a while since I've been on a ferry, and I'm looking forward to it. Wow, look at the mountains, and I can see the gorgeous sky and the pretty clouds up above. This is just incredible. I love this view, and to be so high up above and seeing everything and the whole city, it looks wonderful. You've got the Safeco Field, the Quest Field, CenturyLink. So far my experience on the Great Wheel was a lot of fun, and I got to see a lot of different great views, the piers and the mountains, and being way up high and seeing the beautiful ocean and the lake. To experience the waterfront, you definitely have to do it on the Great Wheel. You get to be able to see so much of Seattle, and especially the things that you can do here and see all the different scenes and shops that you can explore. It's definitely one of the places that I would recommend doing, the Great Wheel.